Question number 69. Now in this paper, question number 69 to 74, they belong to decision making section. Now here we talk about a course of action which should be valid. Now in the first question, that is question number 69, you are the district magistrate of Gangapur district of India. One morning when you reach office, you hear a commotion outside. On inquiry, your bodyguard tells you that two factions of a political party are fighting with each other over a petty issue. What would be your immediate course of action? Now, that course of action is valid, which is practically possible or practically feasible, where the risk or return on investment is quantifiable, and something where you can see either a short-term immediate effect, or you can also think of a course of action which is feasible or fruitful in the long run. So both the actions are considered to be valid depending upon the situation. Here you are the district magistrate. So if there is a law and order situation, it's your duty to take stock of the situation and you can't just avoid it. So option C is eliminated because here it says you will inform the divisional commissioner and wait for his instructions. Now if you wait for his instructions, then the issue might escalate. Hence C doesn't look like a correct option. Now A says you will rush to the scene of the conflict immediately and call the leaders of both the factions to calm the mob. Looks like a reasonable course of action, but the only problem is they are fighting. If you will rush to the scene without proper preparation, the issue might escalate, or the return on investment might be nil because maybe the leaders of both the factions refuse to come and talk to you. Then what will be the point of this? And as a district magistrate, you cannot afford to risk your life too, and you cannot also risk the fact that or you cannot take the risk that you will go to a situation unprepared or underprepared, and maybe there would be some situation there which will be out of your hand and the matter might escalate. But B, you will instruct the SP of the district to look into the matter. Now the superintendent of police is responsible for these kind of actions. So if you instruct him immediately, he probably would come with the force and take care of the situation. So B looks like a reasonable option. D says you will summon the SP, other senior officials and the leaders of the fighting factions for conference to take stock of situation and to take necessary action. This one is also reasonable. But B should be your first course of action. After that you can do D. So if you choose any one of these, that will be the right answer.